What is going on, everyone? My name is Eric and I'm the owner of Getaways. Today, we're in Easton, New Hampshire, in the heart of the White Mountains, and behind me is our luxury vacation rental, the Honey Pot. Today, we're gonna be showing you all the bells and whistles inside of the Honey Pot. So without further ado, let's get this virtual tour on the road. Follow me inside. Welcome to the heart of our property right here on the main floor. The Honey Pot spans 3 levels, the crown being dedicated to the master bedroom on the top floor. However, the journey begins here as you immerse yourself in the essence of New Hampshire's breathtaking nature with these absolutely stunning views. From the Honey Pot, you can see the Kinsman Mountain Range, Mount Lincoln and Mount Lafayette, which has been voted a top hike in the United States, as well as the Presidential Mountain Range, which is home to Mount Washington, the highest peak in the Northeast. Boasting 3 beds and 3 baths, every corner of this home promises an unparalleled view, giving you a 180-degree masterpiece of the surrounding landscape. As we step into this living room, to the left of me, your eyes are drawn to this expansive couch, which is versatile enough to offer an additional sleeping arrangement. The centerpiece is also the 70-inch smart TV, perfectly paired with this cozy indoor gas fireplace. This main area makes the space the epitome of comfort, and it's a place not just designed for relaxation, but also a place designed to create memories with people that you care about. To the right of the living space is the dining area, which flows seamlessly into the kitchen, creating an open concept that encourages connection and conversation. In the kitchen, you'll be equipped with everything you need, whether it's an Instant Pot or a coffee machine, ensuring your cooking experiences are as effortless as they are enjoyable. This main area is all about bringing people together, allowing you to mingle and be present without any worries. Adjacent to the dining area, you can discover the state-of-the-art wine fridge accompanied by the wine cart. Additional seating arrangements have been thoughtfully placed, ensuring that every moment is captured against this beautiful New Hampshire backdrop that we have. As you move down this hall, you'll run into 1 bedroom and an additional bathroom. And if you keep going down this hall, you'll be greeted to our 1-car garage. So now we've covered everything on this main floor, but we saved the best for last, and in my opinion is the most remarkable part about this floor. Without further ado, let's go check out the deck. Okay, so stepping onto the deck, you're immediately greeted by an ambience that quiets the mind and ignites a cascade of positive thoughts and feelings. It's truly a sanctuary where the hustle of life fades away and is replaced by the natural world. To my left, the deck transforms into a gathering spot centered around a versatile table. By day, it's a spot for meals under the sky, and by night, it becomes a cozy fireplace, inviting intimate conversations and warm laughter. Above, 2 infrared heaters cast a gentle warmth, ensuring that this outdoor retreat remains inviting even as the winter chill sets in. It's the perfect blend of comfort in the great outdoors, allowing you to take in the view regardless of the season. For all you grill masters out there, our Weber grill stands ready for some burgers and some dogs. As you can see, this deck isn't just an extension of this home, it's a bridge into nature, and is designed for moments of joy, reflection, connection, and rejuvenation. After leaving this deck, you'll feel a dense sense of renewal and rejuvenation, which is exactly what we want in our guests. You've seen the kitchen, you've seen the deck, you've seen the living room, but now it's time to go to the 3rd floor and check out the master suite. So let's go check it out. As you can see, this offers 180-degree panoramic, breathtaking views of the surroundings. This suite boasts a spacious walk-in closet, ensuring that every item has a place to go. Adjacent to it, the large bathroom features a generous shower with multiple settings and multiple shower heads, designed not just for function, but as an oasis of relaxation. You've seen the master suite, but this property doesn't end here. Let's descend to the 1st level where more unique features are awaiting. So let's jump down and let's check out the 1st floor. Okay, so we are heading down into the 1st floor, or if you want to call it the basement. So now we're on the 1st level, which was designed for both utility and pleasure, beginning with a well-appointed laundry area. As we move through this level, we encounter a cozy bedroom featuring a versatile futon couch. This space is perfect for guests seeking a quiet nook, offering flexibility without compromising on comfort. And adjacent to this bedroom, you can find another full bathroom. Moving along to the heart of this floor, however, is in the main living area. It's a multifunctional space where futon couches invite you to lounge and unwind. Whether you're sinking into a book or gathering for a movie night, the comfort is king here. And for those who revel in friendly competition, like myself, a poker table stands ready in the corner of the room, promising evenings filled with excitement and camaraderie. The entertainment options include a smart TV, perfect for those movie nights or catching up on your favorite series, but the true jewel of this level lies outside. So let's go check out what I'm talking about. Here's our outdoor hot tub, which is accessible through our doors right here. It's the perfect place to soak after a cold day of skiing or after a long day of hiking. But this is not to be overlooked from our swinging chair, which adds a touch of relaxation, offering a unique vantage point to enjoy the views or to simply lose yourself in the gentle sways. And there you have it, a comprehensive tour of the Honey Pot. From the serene embrace of nature on our deck to the indulgent comforts of our master suite, each floor of this home has been carefully curated to ensure your stay is nothing short of magical. Now the only thing missing is you. If you're ready to turn this virtual tour into reality, we've made booking as seamless as the experiences we offer. Find our direct booking link in the description below, along with our website for more information. And if you have any questions or need any further assistance, we welcome your inquiries. Reach out to us, let us make your dream getaway a reality. Thank you all for joining me on this tour, and we can't wait to welcome you to the Honey Pot to be the backdrop for your unforgettable experience. We'll see you all soon, but for now, I'm gonna enjoy the view. We'll see you in the next one.